drying test, and we cut the counter into different thickness, different size. Now we begin the drying test. We open the door and put the trays into the dryer. Then close the door and we start the setting now. Now we type in the password. Then we choose the operation mode. This constant temperature and the humidity mode. Then we set the temperature and the humidity, then setting. Then we turn on the machine. Now